Lalal.
Once again, welcome in RCS High School, Subhash Nagar. Today we are going to learn about English, and that is English grammar. In any language, there are some topics which are very necessary to study language. कोणत्याही भाषेमध्ये लँग्वेज शिकत असताना त्या लँग्वेजमधले ग्रामर आणि त्याचे सब टॉपिक्स आपल्याला माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे. तर त्यापैकी आज आपण त्या ग्रामरच्या काही टॉपिक्स आणि त्यामधले सब टॉपिक्स याची इन्फॉर्मेशन बघणार आहोत. सो लेट्स सी इंग्लिश ग्रामर. Today is the first lesson. In any language, the sentence is formed by words. Many words comes together and form a sentence, and many sentences comes together to form a paragraph, and many paragraphs formed a lesson, a story, etc. So it's very necessary to study about the words. आणि म्हणून प्रत्येक भाषेमध्ये वर्ड्स म्हणजे शब्द म्हणजे काय, त्या शब्दांचे कोणकोणते प्रकार असतात तर ते पाहणं आपल्याला गरजेचं ठरतं. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू स्टडी द वर्ड्स अँड देअर टाइप्स. So today we are going to learn our first grammar topic, and that is parts of speech. कोणत्याही भाषेमध्ये कोणतीही भाषा किंवा कोणतंही वाक्य घ्या कोणत्याही भाषेमधलं तर त्या वाक्यामध्ये अनेक शब्द असतात. त्या अनेक शब्दांचं मिळून एक वाक्य तयार होतं. अनेक वाक्यांचा एक पॅरेग्राफ तयार होतो आणि अनेक पॅरेग्राफ असे एकत्रित येऊन एक मोठा धडा लेसन तयार होत असतो. मग त्यातला जो शब्द असतो त्या शब्दांच्या विविध जाती असतात, विविध प्रकारचे शब्द असतात. तर त्या शब्दांच्या जातींबद्दल आज आपण माहिती करून घेणार आहोत. सो अवर टॉपिक इज पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. शब्दांच्या जाती आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. देर आर 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश ॲज वेल एज इन मराठी. इंग्रजी आणि मराठीमध्ये शब्दांच्या 8 जाती आहेत. Nouns, pronouns, adjective, adverb, then verbs, then prepositions, then conjunction and interjection. अशा या 8 शब्दांच्या जाती आहेत. तर त्या जाती आपण क्रमाने पाहणार आहोत. त्यापैकी पहिली आहे द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर इज नाउन. नाउन मीन्स नाम. मराठी त्याला आपण नाम म्हणतो. नामालाच मराठीमध्ये आणखी आपण काय म्हणतो, नाव. दॅट इज नेम. सो सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ नाउन. आता या नाउनची डेफिनेशन बघा. नाउन कशाला म्हणायचं? द नेम गिव्हन टू थिंग्स, प्लेसेस, एनिमल्स, पीपल, फीलिंग्स इज कॉल्ड अ नाउन. या खाली दिलेल्या ज्या बाबी आहेत त्या बाबींना आपण जे नाव देतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी थिंग्स मीन्स वस्तू. प्लेस स्थळ, ठिकाण. एनिमल्स मीन्स प्राणी. people persons, लोक. अँड फिलिंग्स भावना, क्वालिटीज. सो द नेम गिवन टू दीज थिंग्स, प्लेसेस, एनिमल्स, पीपल, फिलिंग्स अँड क्वालिटीज आर कॉल्ड नाउन्स. नाउ सी इट्स एक्झाम्पल्स. आता आपल्याला यांची एक्झाम्पल्स बघायचे. नाउ सी द फर्स्ट things. We come across many things in our school, at our home. Things. So, which things we come across at school, at home? You use many things. तुम्ही रोजच्या जीवनामध्ये, शाळेमध्ये, घरामध्ये अनेक वस्तूंचा वापर करत असता. तर त्या वस्तूला दिलेले जे नाव आहे ते म्हणजे नाव. नाव सी. I use, you use this thing. What is this? This is a pen. वस्तूच आहे. मग या वस्तूला दिलेलं जे आपण नाव आहे ते नाव काय आहे? पेन. इट इज नाव. ओके. नाउ what is this? What is this? This is book. You use. Then this is also noun. Like this, there are many things surrounding us. See, you sit. Where you sit? You sit on bench. Bench is also a noun. Okay. I use this thing. What is this? This is a chalk. It is also a noun. Chalk. Okay. Now see the names of some places. Places means स्थळ, ठिकाण, जागा. There are many places around us. You students come from home to this place. Which is this place? You study, you learn. This is the place. Which is the place? This is school. School is the place. Now you go to market to bring some vegetables. Where do you go? You go to Mirrors. Some people go to Sangli. This is also a place. Name of the place, Mirrors. Some people goes to Sangli. These are places. You come from home. You come from home. Home is also place. So these are examples of places. Now see animals. You see many animals. You face many animals when you come from home to school. Which animals do you see when you come from home to school? घरामधून शाळेकडे येताना तुम्ही अनेक एनिमल्स बघता रस्त्यावर इकडे तिकडे. Yes, the first animal we see on roads, that is dogs. Then at our home there is a pet animal. What is the name? Name of the pet animal? That is cat. Then another pet animal, that is cow. There are some wild animals, the animals which are found in jungles, which are found in forests, that we call wild animals. Which are the wild animals? Tell me some example. Okay, correct. That is tiger. So see, these are animals. Then people. We face many people. We see many people at home. In your house, there are also people. Who are in your house? Which people do you see in your house? Yes, mother. Yes, father. These are also people. And in school, we see teacher, students. Okay, these are people. Now, feelings. How do you feel when we get happiness, when we become happy, joyful? Then there is something in our mind. There is feeling. When you feel happy, how do you feel? When you becomes happy, how do you feel? Good or bad? Yes, good. That is the feeling. When you are in sadness, how do you feel? Good or bad? Bad. That is also feeling. Then there are some qualities in every person. There are some qualities, good qualities, bad qualities, that are also comes under these feelings. There are qualities. So tell me some qualities. Yes, kind is the quality, kind, dayalu. Then another quality, courageous, courageous, Archie. Brave. This is also one of the quality. Okay, now see what we learned today. Under parts of speech, there is first type, nouns, and we see the definition of noun. What is the definition of noun? The name given to things, places, animals, people, and feelings and qualities is called a noun. And then we see examples of these nouns. Here are some examples of things: pen, book, bench, chalk. Then places, we saw the places: school, mirrors, family, home. Animals, we saw dog, cat, cow, tiger. Then people, we saw mother, father, teacher, students. And feelings and qualities, under this we saw good feeling, bad feeling, kind quality, courageous qualities. This we all see today. So it is your duty to write this in your notebook and collect some other examples. Collect at least 10 examples of each subtopic. इथं जे हे नावचे सब टॉपिक दिलेत त्याची कमीत कमी 10 एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही याच्या खाली लिहा आणि ते वहीमध्ये पूर्ण करून ठेवा. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? ओके, सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर. थँक यू.